Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I do a fill on these nails today. This client came in with a set from another tech and she just wanted me to do the fill and not change or alter the designs at all. So you're going to see me in this video prep her nails, do the fill, and repolish, and it'll be quick and easy. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm using the gel removal bit from ctones.com to remove the bulk of her nails and take off the gel polish and gel top coat that she had from the previous set. Once the gel and acrylic has been removed from her cuticle area, I'm going to remove any dead skin from her nail plate using the cuticle bit. I will then go in with a sanding band to remove any of the excess gel polish left over on her set and blend in her natural nails. I will then be dusting her nails and applying primer before applying a very thin layer of Ice Ultra Clear. You will now see me going in with a nude from ctones to match the nude from her previous set. Once I'm done blending in the nude, I'm going to encapsulate the entire design in Ice Ultra Clear. This client wanted to keep the curve in her nails, so I'm just going to do minimal filing with my 100 grit hand file. I will be blending in the surface of the nail using a medium sanding band. I will now be using the comb bit to remove any excess product from her cuticle area and seal and blend her cuticles. I will be finishing the nails with a gel top coat and curing and showing you the finished result. After a quick photo shoot, here is the final result of these nails. This is the result of me doing a fill over someone else's work and not changing anything at all. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Check us out on ctones.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.